generation to continue the legacy of forefathers. Kokomi ready to talk to Home Minister Amit Saha. And Manipur Health Department gets first ever digital workplace. Hello and welcome to Times of Manipur News. I'm JESSIA and I'm giving you the news in details. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren today asserted that the bond among people can be strengthened if the present generation preserve the custom and tradition and continuous legacy of the forefathers. Biren was participating in the Silver Jubilee celebration of Tingkhau Rangwan Chakpriak Phom at Tingkhau Rakwang, Kalamkai, Jingmarong Kabikul, Imphal. It was jointly organized by Assam, Manipur and Nagaland Regional Council. Speaking at the function, Biren asserted that we can move ahead if we protect and preserve our language, culture and tradition, beside upholding and continuing the legacy of the forefathers. Biren also mentioned about the center's relentless works towards bringing welfare and development for the Northeast and its people. Chief Minister further emphasized on the importance of holistic efforts in facing any situation.
Dharma, Sanabi, Madu Pachana Naga preserve Torga, Tawangam Adumazati doing a P3 the palace, P3 the Nasi, Makoini, Nagalex, Aduna Sapirak form religious council, Semakanda, Nasiva was survived Torkanda, Sukyam the Mayam, Laipangam Bese, Masi, Gidamakai Mayam, we appreciate away. Matam Punamakta, Aquanushi Sana Namatoin Leminasi, Zat. Dharma Kenava Mayam Lagrani, otherwise, Mioiba have a human being have the Madugi Wakalondo the Quay, Amato in a Punsula Quay, Minagam.
An 18-member team of Coordinating Committee on Manipur Integrity Kokomi today left Imphal for New Delhi, where they will meet Union Home Minister Amit Saha to discuss the issues surrounding Indo-Naga peace talks. Kokomi coordinator Sunil Karam, who led the team, said that the team was leaving for Delhi in the interest of the people of Manipur. He reiterated Kokomi's decision to boycott Sangai Festival and urged the people not to support the festival. Talking to reporters at Bir Tikendrajit International Airport before leaving for New Delhi, Sunil Karam further urged that all 60 MLAs should stand united to safeguard the integrity of Manipur.
Any invitation, Unare Habaki to Mutsaba, Ama Pibiraba, Ani Shubada, I could session Maka Koragadi Haba, Aniji of Samama, Tambasina Maramargana, Hariba Anishi, La Pusina Maramargana, I could hide his Masi Karaibo Kamai to get Habadi Sora Pakra, I could Kanazabani, Pineal Madinate, Aduna, proposal to La Akana, I could Amuk, Kananabi Potorgana, Barrel, Sat Kibagi, Kanoni, a quick official labor, Amasung, a quick Tonganba. Official labor ama declare tawdring da satki base akoi punamaki laibak thibani amsung haina ba si ngasai gi issue si pen da bagi haina rakuni adung hairiba mayam sing do aikoi na masida karima ta koina lana natraga aikoi na kaigumba amaki pibam si tawsu tawroi manipur mayam interest lerga mayam na pibire ba haibire opa mayam sing do hena pungning wakal thauna lai nabani haina adugi pota koina accept tawzaraka na matung da su kai lege haiba poto ke punamungna aikoi manipur mayam golona aikoi any lakpa outcome kodima let me see haiba phonsima ai thamjarage.
Kokomi Media Coordinator Jitendra Ningomba said that with the public support, Kokomi has been able to continue its sustained protest movement. The Kokomi, a civil body, fears that the territorial integrity and administrative structure of the state of Manipur could be affected by the Indo-Naga peace deal.
ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯄꯤꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯁꯨꯔꯦꯟꯁꯇꯣ ꯃꯣꯏ ꯑꯅꯤꯗꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯣꯏꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒ ꯈꯨꯗꯛꯇ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯕꯨ ꯁꯥꯟꯅꯄꯣꯠ ꯈꯟꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯍꯥꯏꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯇꯣ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯂꯥꯛꯅꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯇꯟꯖꯥꯗꯨꯗ ꯚꯥꯏꯔꯦꯜ ꯑꯣꯏꯈꯤꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯈꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯏꯁꯥ ꯈꯪꯗꯕꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯌꯧꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯌꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯁꯨ ꯉꯥꯎꯋꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯃꯃꯥꯡꯒꯤꯗ ꯇꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯏꯁꯥꯅ ꯁꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩ ꯃꯦꯗꯤꯌꯥ ꯀꯣꯑꯣꯔꯗꯤꯅꯦꯇꯔ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯥꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯣ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯌꯥꯎꯔꯤꯕ ꯑꯦꯅꯤ ꯋꯥꯠ ꯑꯦꯚꯔ ꯍꯦꯛ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤ ꯁꯦꯝꯕꯗꯒꯤ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯕꯗ ꯂꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯋꯥꯔꯦꯞ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯉꯣꯟꯗ ꯂꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕ ꯀꯅꯥꯝꯇ ꯄꯥꯏꯗꯦ ꯑꯦꯛꯁꯦꯞ ꯃꯥꯏꯁꯦꯜꯐ ꯑꯩ ꯈꯛꯇꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯍꯧꯈꯤꯕ ꯅꯍꯥꯟꯒꯤ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔꯒꯤ ꯇꯥꯡ 6ꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅꯦꯕ ꯄꯣꯠꯁꯦ ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯁꯨ ꯅꯕꯦꯝꯕꯔ ꯇꯥꯡ 6 ꯂꯥꯎꯊꯣꯛꯈ꯭ರೆ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯇꯧꯕꯤꯔꯛꯇ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯅ ꯑꯔꯣꯏꯕꯗ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯂꯥꯁ ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ 100 ꯑꯋꯥꯔꯗ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯑꯁꯤꯕꯨ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯅꯕꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯔꯛꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯃꯗꯨꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯨꯡꯉꯥꯏꯇꯕ ꯑꯃꯗꯤ ꯐꯥꯎꯏ ꯕꯠ ꯇꯧꯕꯇꯕꯨ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯣꯝ ꯃꯤꯅꯤꯁꯇꯔ ꯎꯅꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯗ ꯊꯥꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯀꯟꯐꯤꯗꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯥꯡꯍꯟꯗꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯉꯝꯕ ꯂꯦꯚꯦꯜꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯒꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯇꯥꯔꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯀꯣꯀꯣꯃꯤꯅ ꯇꯧꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯆꯦꯟꯖꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯏꯐ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯌꯨ ꯗ ꯄꯤꯄꯜ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯗ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯁꯦꯇꯤꯁꯐꯥꯏ ꯑꯣꯏꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯤꯗ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯇꯧꯒꯦ ꯊꯣꯛꯄꯤꯔꯛꯁꯤꯅꯦꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ 24 ꯑꯋꯥꯔ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯑꯌꯨꯛꯀꯤꯗ ꯌꯨꯝꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯐꯦꯃꯤꯂꯤ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯑꯒ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛꯀꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯊꯥꯗꯣꯛꯇꯅ ꯀꯃꯥꯟꯗꯣꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯅ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯇꯥꯟꯅꯩ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯌꯥꯝ ꯍꯣꯠꯅꯖꯔꯤꯕꯁꯤꯗ ꯑꯁꯤꯗ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯊꯥꯖꯕ ꯉꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐꯃꯨꯡꯗ ꯐꯝꯃꯒ ꯃꯣꯕꯥꯏꯜꯗ ꯏꯕꯗꯨꯅꯗꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯂꯩꯕꯥꯛ ꯅꯤꯡꯒꯗꯧꯔꯤꯕꯅꯣ ꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯉꯁꯥꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕ ꯏꯍꯧ ꯑꯃ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯃꯇꯝꯗꯗꯤ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠꯅꯦꯕ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩ ꯑꯗꯨꯁꯨ ꯈꯪꯖꯩꯑꯕ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯔꯧꯖꯕꯗꯤ ꯅꯠꯇꯦꯕ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯂꯩ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝ ꯑꯩꯈꯣই ꯐꯨꯜ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯃꯔꯝꯗꯤ ꯃꯤꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤ ꯐꯨꯜ ꯁꯞꯄꯣꯔꯠ ꯂꯩꯕꯗꯨꯅ ꯅꯠꯇ꯭ꯔꯣ ꯉꯁꯤ ꯏꯍꯥꯡ ꯍꯥꯡꯗꯅ ꯁꯉꯥꯏ ꯐꯦꯁꯇꯤꯚꯦꯜ ꯀꯅꯥꯝ ꯂꯩꯇ꯭ꯔꯤꯁꯦ
Health and Family Welfare Minister Kumar today launched Manipur's first ever e-office, a digital workplace for file management and better access for the Health Department. Principal Secretary of Health Vumlunmang Wolnam and State Information Officer Nick K.H. Ranjit also attended the launch program held in the Minister Chamber at Old Secretariat, Imphal. The digital workplace was developed by NIC Delhi and NIC Imphal. E-Office includes features like file management, knowledge management, leave management, tour management, collaboration and messaging services, personal information, sparrow and management information system. The digital workplace was launched for the first time in the state with an aim to make file processing more transparent. Kumar stated that the new step was a sign of good governance and added that e-Office will be an immense help in maintaining accountability.
ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯀꯤꯅꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯅꯥ ꯑꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯗ ꯑꯃꯁꯨꯡ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯁꯃꯥꯖꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯁꯤ ꯀꯦꯟꯁꯔꯅ ꯅꯥꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯏꯆꯝ ꯆꯝꯕ ꯃꯤꯅꯗꯤ 100% ꯁꯤꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯂꯧꯅꯕꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯀꯟꯁꯦꯞ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯩꯌꯦꯕꯀꯣ ꯕꯠ ꯏꯠ ꯏꯁ ꯇꯣꯇꯦꯜ ꯔꯣꯡ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯃꯥꯄꯟꯗ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯚꯤꯖꯨꯑꯦꯜ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯄꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯋꯤꯠ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗꯤꯛ ꯑꯦꯁꯤꯗꯁꯦ ꯁꯤꯒꯤ ꯐꯦꯁꯤꯂꯤꯇꯤꯁ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯦ ꯖꯒꯥ ꯖꯒꯥꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯃꯗꯨꯒꯤ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯟꯁꯤꯡꯁꯤ ꯏꯟꯁꯇꯣꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯃꯤꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯗꯤꯜ ꯇꯧꯔꯒ ꯐꯥꯏꯜ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯋꯥꯏ ꯆꯪꯈꯤ ꯀꯩꯗꯧꯉꯩ ꯊꯣꯔꯛꯈꯤ ꯀꯔꯤ ꯐꯥꯏꯜꯅꯣ ꯀꯗꯥꯏꯋꯥꯏꯗ ꯀꯌꯥꯝ ꯀꯨꯏꯅ ꯄꯦꯟꯗꯤꯡ ꯂꯩꯔꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯁꯤ ꯏꯚꯟ ꯗ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯥꯔꯁꯤꯡꯅ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯇꯨꯔꯗ ꯆꯠꯇꯅ ꯂꯩꯈ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯣꯐꯤꯁꯇ ꯐꯝꯗ꯭ꯔꯒꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯀꯟꯇꯦꯛ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯕ ꯃꯈꯜꯒꯤ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃ ꯗꯤꯚꯥꯏꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯑꯣꯏꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯕ ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯁꯤ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯒꯚꯔꯟꯃꯦꯟꯠꯀꯤ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯅꯣꯠ ꯑꯣꯟꯂꯤ ꯗꯤ ꯍꯦꯜꯊ ꯁꯦꯛꯇꯔ ꯕꯠ ꯏꯟ ꯁꯝ ꯑꯗꯔ ꯗꯤꯄꯥꯔꯠꯃꯦꯟꯠꯁ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯂꯩꯔꯤꯕ ꯀꯟꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯖꯟ ꯂꯩꯕꯁꯤꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯤꯁꯦ ꯂꯣꯏꯅꯃꯛ ꯃꯗꯨ ꯏꯔꯥꯗꯤꯀꯦꯠ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯉꯝꯒꯅꯤꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯦ.
Further, Minister Kumar said that the Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has recognized the state in palliative care (HWC), eliminating viral hepatitis and NCS gold application. The recognition letter provided by the government during a function at Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is a testimony to the fact that the health sector is improving and getting better in Manipur. Amidst the unrest over the impending Naga political settlement and the talks about the government looking for a settlement with Kuki groups, the tribes affiliated under the Jomi community today organized a peace rally in Churachandpur district to push for the demand for creation of Jolan Territorial Council and also for expediting the ongoing political dialogue between the government and KNO-UPF. The rally was carried out under the aegis of Jomi Council, the apex body of Jomis. The rally was held at Churachandpur District Headquarters, Subdivisional Headquarters, Singat, Molnom, Thanlon, Swangdo, and Leizangpai. The rally called on the government to expedite the political talks with the Kuki armed groups and fulfill the demand for a Jolan Territorial Council. The demonstration started from Tangnuam Public Ground and wrapped up with a public meeting at Lamka Public Ground. Jomi Council leaders later submitted a memorandum to Prime Minister of India through the Deputy Commissioner Churachandpur. Chairman of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Th. Kiran Kumar, said that there will be some changes in the question setting pattern, answer sheets and checking system for the High School Leaving Certificate Examination 2020. Speaking during a press meet at BOSEM office, Babupura, Kiran Kumar said that the HSLC exam 2020 will take place from February 17 to March 7, ahead of Holi festival. Kiran Kumar further said that there will be changes in the answer sheet layout this year, with online registration from the respective school to make it confusion-free exercise, and that the teachers will be given limited answer sheets.
Oza amana nongmada answer script kayam check tawdagi habse masing keeping lerni mamangai dari oza kharna khara sothana tawba khara mana yama toksanba yama tawmangi dana mana check toje phajana tawbra tawdabra habdo khoi isada chingnaba phawba aduni mayamna ko question hek tawrisi aduna mark khara chawba se angka gumba ragi manipuri gumba english gumba mark maripu na pui 20 marks amdi internal assessment dei lai hariba answer script mayam se akoi nongmada chen impudagi hena check to 40 answer scripts per day kai gumbo oja sina adu loiraba ma numitugi ma suti oire ma hanna check to yai aduga magi check to bagi paisa masingdi hengale khoina.
A man was found dead at K Ningbang Phai under Churachandpur district this morning around 5:30 am. The deceased was identified as Langkhat Lat, aged 39 years, son of late Songwasung Song Savung of Saidan village. His lifeless body was found near Saidan village bridge, a report said. Some persons have been reportedly picked up by district police for interrogation in connection with the incident. Now it's time for a short break. Coming up next, we have news on ambassadors and commissioner of 7 Asian countries visit Myanmar.
Iramdamda fangba polamsingna iramdam asimaktada sajaba kanglagi polamsing fangbiragani luhong panthana lakpada miyamgidamak leizare leima kabok loinana luhongbagi yakhanaba discount su izari akupa marol gidama contact tobiu 8131877217 natraga 9612056941
kangla kabok chabiu yamna hawbani
kangla leima kabok
SS Enterprises ta miyam gi damak leizare makhal makha kyagi sound lights teas amadi tent house ki polam sing makhal kuing makki light amadi luhong khongdong bagi polam sing gi damak 10% discount pijari ako pamarol gi damak contact tobiu SS Enterprises kiamgai khoirom laikai near youth social club contact number 8837218002
Yang wad.
Soktabana loidi.
Wabdo koknaba rebalance.
Soktabadu koknaba rebalance. Rebalance na haksangi salt amadi electrolytes singi awatpa menkhatuna adongi haksangu tagat tikna thamba ngamali. Rebalance habadi electrolytes amadi energy.
Welcome back after the break. A 23-member team, which included high commissioners and ambassadors of 7 Asian countries, visited various places of Myanmar bordering Moray Town of Technopole district in Manipur. The delegates reached Moray Town of Indo-Myanmar border this morning. They are currently in Manipur to take part in Sangai Festival, an annual tourism festival organized by the Manipur government. The team was warmly received by Tamil Department Deputy Commissioner near the Immigration Office of Indo-Myanmar Friendship Bridge. The team visited Tamil Town International Market, Namphalong Market and Bothai Law of Myanmar. The team was accompanied by convener of Act East Policy, R.K. Sif Chandra, during the visit. General Secretary of FEGOCTA today threatened to boycott the college semester examinations starting November 28 if the state government does not fulfill the demand for implementation of 7 UGC pay for the government college teachers by November 27. Pushing for the demand, FEGOCTA is on a cease work strike which began from November 20.
Government 27 bau marung sida khoi gi demand se fulfill tawtraba adu tari khoi examination se boycott tawragani se decision se leppe adu ga handa mukti khoi sarkar gi side gi government side gi matam khari yai thok piu haina return assurance pirak pada khoi yaroi and then unless khoi gi demand me am se yam clear waina khoi na pam mong da thamdri bawdi handa gi khongjang sidi khoi handoroi.
Convener of TED Exam Center Demand Committee Jiribam Ningthaujam Dharmendra Maite today thanked the Chairman of Board of Secondary Education Manipur and Controller of the examination for facilitating Jiribam candidates to take part in TED examination by providing a separate center. BOSM took the decision taking into account the pathetic road condition of Imphal-Jiribam Road. Dharmendra Maite also thanked the Vice Chairman of Manipur Food and Industries Corporation Limited, Kesarat Kumar Singh, for his relentless effort in providing the TED Exam Center at Jiribam.
Ladiba TED examination asi loishin khrabanina madugi ekhoina tanjaruba ekhoina honajaruba madugi Jiribam se center asi jo piratna parikha se thaba pungloi loishin khrabanina ekhoina matam khragi oida semjarmiba ekhoigi TT examination center demand committee haiba masi committee asi khudaktagi ngasi khudaktagi koi press bit tori basi khudaktagi koi masi job tawjare makhada masigi mingda karigumba thabak thorom amata aidi ekoi center demand committee si mingda kana gumba da pangthokpa yararoi masi pangthokta namsu madigi tawdana baso ina appeal tawjari.
The proscribed UNLF has deeply condoled the untimely and sad demise of its cadre, Longjam Malemcha alias Ingoba, son of late El Baburam of Itham Maninglaikai. According to a press release from the outfit's Department of Publicity, Longjam Malemcha died after a brief illness on November 22nd last. At least 4 people were killed in a major road accident in Assam Digboi in the wee hours of Monday. According to reports, the accident took place when a coal-laden truck collided head-on with a magic vehicle at Pawoi in Digboi. The coal-laden truck was coming from Margherita, while the Magic was traveling from Tinsukia side along National Highway 37. The locals had a tough time retrieving the body from the Magic vehicles as the vehicle was totally mangled in the impact. The driver of the Magic vehicles who died on the spot has been identified as Bisu Das, aged around 29 years, from Margherita. The other 3 killed in the accident have been identified as Jairam Saha, aged around 45 years, Jaleswar Giri, aged around 49 years, and Urmila Devi, aged around 48 years. Around 12 people were in the Magic vehicles and the others also sustained injuries. Once again, it's time for a short break. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.
Nang na tamibi school IPS have to do yam chiksi lifai hai nei kam do gine.
My school is a quality-based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches a student in higher classes.
Hey ma, isa di IPS ki boarding the leader of the English ki command so fajna le rahe, lyrics so am hai rahe, personality, talent so fajna le rahe na.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipur da leba IPS hybrid Imphal Public Higher Secondary School the Ming Chanbio loinan afaba bahiroi bayanbiu.
IPS, the Imphal Public Higher Secondary School, Kanchipur, Imphal, near Manipur University First Gate. Admission opens from pre-nursery to class 9, both school and boarding. IPS, top choice for your child's career.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Hi. Wedding sets karayenge.
Sure, ma'am. Sige sesi anu yorokuni, ma'am. Tingbiu.
Sisam fazadro. Sisam fazadro che. Yam elegance ui.
Mobile furniture na wedding season asigi oina discount up to 30% ki khudong chao pijari.
Phare do disi torsia. Bhaiya che sevi torsi. Sei se booking tak senjar.
Welcome back after the break. The winter session of Parliament has entered its sixth day after serious debates, discussions and arguments echoed in both the houses, Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha last week. High-ended drama ensued the first week as opposition raised politically and socially sensitive issues of electoral bonds, Jammu and Kashmir, lockdown and JNU in the houses. The previous week, the Cheat Funds Amendment Bill 2019 was passed in the Lok Sabha while a heated discussion grew over the Surrogacy Regulation Bill in the Rajya Sabha. As per a report today, the sixth day of the winter session, both the houses are likely to witness another power-packed day as the Supreme Court decides on Maharashtra power tussle. The government will present important financial bills in both the houses. Minister of Health and Family Welfare Harsh Vardhan will evoke the prohibition of electronic cigarettes, production, manufacture, import, export, transport, sale, distribution, storage and advertisement bill 2019 in the Lok Sabha. Meanwhile, the bill for the protection of rights of the transgender community is among the major bills to be discussed in the Rajya Sabha. The Supreme Court reserved its order for 10:30 am tomorrow on Maharashtra government formation. It will give its verdict on the floor test as requested in a petition by Shiv Sena and CP Congress combined after Saturday's extraordinary government formation in the state on Tuesday. Yesterday, a three-judge bench of Justice N.V. Ramana, Ashok Bhushan and Sanjeev Khanna asked the centre to produce letters of support by 10:30 am on Monday morning, one used by Fadnavis and staking claim to form the government and that of the governor inviting to form the government for passing orders. Solicitor General Tushar Mehta, appearing for the Secretary of the Governor, produced a letter dated November 22nd by Ajit Pawar to Governor B.S. Koshyari that contains signature of 54 NCP MLAs. Mehta today told the Apex Court in terms of this letter, Governor requested the President to revoke the present rules on November 22nd. Documentary filmmaker face many challenges, including non-availability of funds and audience, said Srimati Usha Deshpande, President, Indian Documentary Producer Association (IDPA). She was addressing a media conference along with IDPA General Secretary Shankar Desai at the 50th International Film Festival of India yesterday in Panaji. The main need of a documentary filmmaker is to reach the audience. We are organizing screenings and film festivals all over the country to provide platforms for documentary filmmakers. In collaboration with Film Division, film screening have started in many cities during the second and fourth Friday on every month. Screenings are about to start in 20 more cities, including Gulbarga, Pune, Mumbai, Jaipur, Delhi, etc., she said. Touching upon the quality of education imparted through film schools and institutes, Deshpande said that sometimes the quality gets compromised and a lot of institutes misguide the students. Since most of them are private institutes, we cannot control them. Delhi police today prevented a major terror strike in the capital and apprehended 3 men linked to an Islamic State terror module and recovered improvised explosive devices (IED) from them according to media reports. The 3 of them have been arrested from Assam, Guwahati. They have been identified as Muqaddas Islam, Ranjit Ali and Louis Jamil Jamal. Sources say that 3 suspects were influenced by the Islamic State. They were found carrying explosive materials used to devise bombs and IED. Now we have the sports news. Manipur has lifted the first runners-up trophy by winning 29 gold, 14 silver and 7 bronze medals in the 8th AITWF National and Traditional Wrestling and Punkaration Championship 2019 held from November 21st to 24 in Hyderabad. Maharashtra won the team champion title by bagging altogether 98 golds and home turf Telangana bagged the second runners-up trophy with 20 golds. Nagaland bagged 11 golds, Jharkhand 10 and Tamil Nadu 9 in the championship. Home Minister of Telangana Muhammad Ali, Senior Vice President of All India Traditional Wrestling and Punkaration Federation CA Tamboli and other officials attended the closing function yesterday. 24 states took part in the championship. Cricket Association of Bengal CAB has decided to refund the money for tickets bought by fans for Day 4 and 5 after the pink ball test ended inside 3 days as India crushed Bangladesh by an innings and 46 runs to sweep the series 2-0. This is one of the rare occasions when a cricket association is refunding money for the tickets bought by fans as the match got over early. The practice is usually followed by state boards across the world when matches get called off or abandoned due to rain or any other circumstance. The first ever day-night test in India witnessed packed stands on all 3 days of, and even the 4-day tickets were sold out, but sadly the game lasted only till the first hours of the 3rd day as India outclashed Bangladesh in all 3 departments. Before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. CM Biren urges present generation to continue legacy of forefathers. Kokomi ready to talk to Home Minister Amit Saha. And Manipur Health Department gets first ever digital workplace. That's all we have in this bulletin. Keep watching Times of Manipur News.